In this video, we'll share 5 of the best passive income ideas for beginners. These are ways to make money that don't require a lot of time, effort, and expertise. If you're looking for a way to make passive income without a lot of hassle, keep watching this video till the end. Well, did you know that you can purchase a blog that is already generating a sound monthly revenue? It's true. Purchase a blog website from Snippet that's already running and save yourself a lot of time and effort. You can find these blogs for sale online, and all you have to do is make an offer. The best part? You can continue to generate income from the blog long after you've purchased it. In fact, you may even hire an expert to work on it and increase the monthly profit.